Thank you, Madam Speaker. I had the privilege of serving on the Commerce Committee this session, and I want to thank Chair Stevenson and Lead O'Driscoll for setting a high bar for committee work. To start, I'll highlight a few aspects of the Commerce portion of the bill that I'm glad were included. First, Representative Ryer's bill on deferred annuities will help make annuities a more viable retirement solution for Minnesotans. Properly structured annuities can have an important role in addressing our retirement savings crisis. In addition, I'm glad that the Reserve Credit Act is included in the omnibus. This bill will remove unnecessary collateral requirements on reinsurers and also help protect the Commerce Department's ability to regulate Minnesota's insurance market. That said, I am disappointed that the Commerce bill doesn't do more to address health insurance costs. In particular, we had 2 successful hearings on important bills that would reduce healthcare costs for Minnesotans. Regrettably, these bills are not included in the omnibus before the House. First, the reinsurance bill that we've already debated today is not included. Reinsurance has a proven track record of reducing health insurance costs for Minnesotans. Second, I am disappointed that Representative Elkin's insurance mandate review bill, House File 55, is not included. House File 55 has broad bipartisan support and would help the legislature understand the costs and benefits of new health insurance mandates before passing them into law. Both of these bills will reduce the cost of health insurance for Minnesotans. They should be included in this omnibus, and I hope that both of these bills are passed into law this session. Lastly, I want to discuss a provision in the Commerce portion of the omnibus that might sound like a good idea, but really isn't. The Prescription Drug Affordability Board language included in the omnibus has been heralded by proponents as the Public Utility Commission for prescription drugs. The board will attempt to set prices for prescription drugs, much like how the PUC sets electricity rates. However, I fear that at minimum, this price-setting board will leave the state of Minnesota with a stack of legal bills after the board's power has been invalidated by the courts. At worst, this board could leave Minnesotans without access to key pharmaceuticals. While almost all states have a public utility commission, no states have a functioning price-setting board when it comes to prescription drugs. This is for 2 good reasons. First, the state likely lacks constitutional authority to set prices for prescription drugs. Second, a state cannot practically dictate prices to an international pharmaceutical company without serious repercussions. If this board sets a price that companies are unwilling to sell at, Minnesotans could lose access to life-saving treatments. Again, it sounds like a nice idea to have the state just tell Big Pharma that we're going to pay less for our drugs, but it just won't work, which is why other states haven't done it. Madam Speaker and members, I would encourage a no vote on the omnibus bill today. The bill before the House has too many partisan provisions that won't help Minnesotans, and just as important, the bill is missing proven bipartisan solutions that will help Minnesotans. I thank Chair Stevenson and Lead O'Driscoll for their leadership, and I look forward to working with them to put together a final commerce package that can earn bipartisan support. Thank you, Madam Speaker.